Today we're going to install a new valve cover on this 2014 Chevy Cruze. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and prep this area. There's silicone or RTV or gasket maker around here. Well, just on these little cracks here. So we're going to go ahead and clean all that up. We have our sharp towel here. We have a little Scotch pad that we're going to use. So we're going to go ahead and just start cleaning all this stuff up. I'm going to first wipe it all down first, and then I'll run it through with a little Scotch pad just to get everything nice and clean. And then we'll throw on the valve cover. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe all this down. Alright, now I'm going to grab my little pad and I'm going to just clean as much as possible all around the block, and then I'll wipe it down with that shop towel one more time, and then we'll throw on the valve cover. Actually, we'll throw on some Honda Bond right here and over there to seal it and make sure it doesn't leak any oil, and then we'll go ahead and put it back together. Alright, everything is set nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and open up my little baggie where I have my Honda Bond so it doesn't dry up. I have it inside a baggie, and then I have it another baggie. That way it doesn't dry up. Stuff's not cheap. This is the good stuff right here. I'm just building my motor with my Honda K20. And yeah, this stuff's not cheap, so I'm going to use it. This is my sister's car. I'm going to go ahead and use it on her valve cover. She's lucky using my stuff. Alright, now we'll just grab the valve cover and we'll just position it right up on top. Make sure you clear all of this here, the pigtail and all this stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and use both hands. Alright, there it is. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hand tighten everything. This one, it is a 5/16. So we're just going to start snugging everything down. And you know what, let's go ahead and start from the middle. And we'll work our way out. These are torqued down to 79 inch-pounds, and if you convert that to foot-pounds, it is 6.5 foot-pounds. So we're going to torque these down to, let's do 6 foot-pounds. But I'm just hand tightening all of these here, going in a cross pattern. Okay, I did it here, then I went up this way, then I already did this one, so now I'm going to go up here, then I'm going to come this way, and I'm just going to go all the way around the valve cover, like so. This way here. And this one here. And this one over here. And so forth. So go ahead and hand tighten all of them. And then we'll wait an hour for this Honda Bond to dry or to mold, and then we'll torque them down. Alright, it's been about a little over an hour. I have my calibration set to 6 and a little under a half. So let's go ahead and start. We're going to start with this one here. And let me go ahead and snug it down a little bit. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and torque this one down. we go. Come on. I really need to buy an inch-pound one. I think that's tight enough, honestly. The foot-pound, it's not that great on inch-pounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and just snug tight all of them. Alright, I have my impact in the lowest setting, and this is where we were torquing it down. It's already ticking and it's not moving. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go here, and I already did this one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually, I'm sorry, this one, this one, this one. See, it's not even moving, so that's good. Then we'll move up here, and this one, and this one, and this one, this one, this one, this one here. And okay, final tighten. All right, cool. So everything is nice and snug. I'm gonna try to use the torque wrench one more time. Let's see. See if it clicks. No, it still wants to go more. I really need to buy an inch pound. I'm gonna grab a regular wrench. I said wrench, I meant ratchet. And honestly, I think that's pretty good. I think that's pretty good. I really don't want to go any more and damage the block. It's plastic anyways. Alright, let's move on to the next step. Let's go ahead and put on the coil packs. It's going to go right in here. Go ahead and connect the coil packs. Okay, let's go ahead and set the coil packs first. Then we'll connect that pigtail. Alright, I got that pigtail in and nice and latched. Now let's go ahead and secure these down. Perfect. Perfect. Alright. Let's add our oil cap from the previous valve cover. Let's add our dipstick back into place. Let's go ahead and put this hose right in here. This one here goes latched somehow. This one here, this one there. This one's gonna go right up here. There it is. Then this one goes right on here. Then this one, there it is, goes like this. Excuse my dogs. Just like so. We have this little clip here. It hooks from the back like that. Then it clips down like that. Then we add our cover like so. And it's a wrap. I think that's everything. That's everything. And that is how you install the valve cover on a 2014 Chevy Cruze LT. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I apologize, it is super late. It is probably close to midnight. Been working on my Civic all day, working on my sister's car. But anyways, thank you for watching. Thumbs up. Alright, and there it is. No oil leaks. Everything looks good. Everything nice and solid. I think my tightness worked, bro. Sweet. Everything's nice and dry. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.